There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Divas, what's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm back to slay today. Okay, what's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I thank you all for the love and support that I have gotten over the past few weeks. And I just want to say I'm here, I'm present, I'm blessed, and we're about to have fun while we do this video. Okay, so I've actually worked with this company a few times before, and if you are a mature, seasoned woman, if you have salt and pepper hair, if you have pepper and salt hair, if you have gray hair or just love gray units, then listen, check out LYFT Wigs. I will definitely post the information down below because today we are going to get into the lady of the maturity look. So I really do like their wigs. I love a good salt and pepper wig, especially if it doesn't look too old or too mature. It got some style and pizzazz to it. Then girl, yes, I love a good salt and pepper wig. Now I have a few grays of my own, little salts of my own, but I'm here to tell y'all that these ones will definitely step up your grannyhood, okay? If you are a grandma, an auntie, or what have you, and you have a head full of salt and pepper hair, but you're ready to switch it up on them, check out LYFT Wigs. Okay, so let me tell y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited because, you know, Sunday was a really good day. My favorite TV series came back on, which is called From. If y'all have watched the TV series From, then y'all already know what I'm talking about. I will watch something over and over and over again. It is actually season 4, and I have just been binge watching seasons 1 through 3 like for the past month. I will watch it till the very end and start it all over again. You know how you like something so much and then it takes them forever to bring it back to TV? Yeah, and you forget what's really going on. That's why I had to rewatch it. But I'm rewatching it and I'm loving it. So if you are familiar with the series From, then, you know, put a blackbird in the comments below. So like I said, this is from LYFT Hair, okay? Make beauty easier. Who don't like to make their beauty easier? And this one right here is a beautiful curly, loose curly unit or loose wave unit. And listen, this is one of those everythings. Well, you ain't really got to do anything but put her on and then maybe style her to your preference if you choose to. Now the lace is a 5x5, so it's already been bleached for you, already been cut, already been thinned out. It does come with the combs here on the sides, which is a plus, and it also does come with the comb in the nape and a removable elastic band. Now there's also some of the rubber gripping silicone around the sides, so that way your unit doesn't slip and slide or fall back on you. Girl, listen, I do not want my wig to ever fall back on me. And then there's also a comb right here just to help with the ease of the unit and make sure that it doesn't pull on any of your edges or what have you. So this one has already been curled, which is great because I ain't even got to do nothing. I love when I don't got to do anything. Okay, let's do this video.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It's always meant to be, oh. Think it's meant to be scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna
y'all, look, she finished. She looked cute. I did have to do a little bit of tweaking to fit my own preference, but she still came out cute. I didn't have to add no heat to the curls. I just finger twirled them, and girl, they came back to life, just so that way they look a lot neater. Now, the only thing that I did do was just tweeze a little bit of the hairline, only because I just wanted it to look a little bit more natural. I don't like my hair to be all the way at the edge of the lace, so that's the reason why I just removed some of the hair. And then I did cut some, not for any type of baby hairs, but just a little wispiness, just to cover the front and make it look natural as possible. Now, the one thing that I would say is you may need a little bit of concealer in the part, and that's only because of the color of the hair. Now, I probably could have went a little bit lighter on the concealer, but that's neither here nor there, okay, girl? Because I think she still looked cute. This is a really easy wig. It's a 5x5. It does come with 4 combs, which is a plus, and an adjustable, removable band as well. So, girl, listen, if you love a good wig, if you are salt and pepper or pepper and salt, you're definitely going to want to check out LYFT. Now, this is their loose curl, and I do believe this is about 16 inches if I'm correct. I will do a spin around so that way y'all can see what the back is looking. Now, mind you, I wasn't able to see the back, so I don't even know what it looks like. But this is a cute, like, bob hairstyle, and this is great for the summertime. And I'm pretty sure once you wash it, you'll get a different type of curl, and you can also style her any way that you want. Hey, girl. So this is what the back is looking like. Very nicely full wig, 5x5, easy to wear. Definitely fitted over my Miracle Knot braids, which is a plus. Just like the future me, you know, like futuristic April, granny girl April, glamour April, mum April, what have you. Like I said, if you are a lover of gray wigs or have salt and pepper or pepper and salt seasoned hair, you're definitely going to want to check out LYFT. Is this giving sexy grandma, glamour? What is this giving? Okay, I will link everything down below for LYFT wigs. Make sure you check them out. It's about to be Mother's Day, so you may just want to get your grandma, your auntie, your grandma, your mama, or yourself a salt and pepper or pepper and salt wig. That's already pre-everything. Pre-everything. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. And if you stayed, leave me a white heart at the end of this video. And I will see y'all in the next one.
It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna